Hello everybody, Mountain RC here. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and as always, I appreciate all of the support. In today's video, we are featuring the Freewing Al37 twin 70mm airliner. Now my friend Nate, who I fly with at my field, brought his out to the field with a custom Hawaiian Airlines scheme. It looks fantastic. It flies fantastic, mainly because of the pilot, and he's flying it without a gyro. So I'm just going to let his flying do the talking, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Wow.
Not bad for no gyro.
Yeah.
Well, that'll do it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the flight. If you have any questions about the Freewing Al37 airliner, please leave it in the comments below. I respond to all of them. I appreciate you all, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mountain RC.